A day in the life of an astronaut. Hi, Kooky Kiddos. Welcome back to the Kooky Kiddos channel. Today, we're going on a super space adventure. We're going to find out what it's like to be an astronaut. Are you ready? Let's count down together. 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Hello, Kooky Kiddos. My name is Annie, and I'm an astronaut. Do y'all want to see what I do every day in space? Come on, let's go on a space tour. First, I wake up in my sleeping bag. Guess what? I sleep floating in the air. There's no gravity, so I don't need a bed.
Would you like to float while you sleep? Show me your best floating pose.
Now it's breakfast time. I eat special space food that comes in little packets. Sometimes it's pancakes, sometimes it's fruit. It's fun and super yummy.
What would you eat if you were in space? Pizza, pancakes? Tell us in the comments below.
Next, I do awesome science experiments. Did you know water floats around like bubbles in space? Let's pretend we're catching floating water. Reach out and grab it.
Catch that water. Kooky Kiddos.
Astronauts have to exercise every day so our muscles stay strong. Let's do 5 space jumping jacks together.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, forge 5. Great job, astronaut.
Sometimes I look out the window and see planet Earth. It's so pretty blue, green, and white. I always wave to my family and friends back home. At the end of the day, I brush my teeth and the toothpaste floats, then snuggle into my sleeping bag for another sleep among the stars.
Wow, what a cool day in space. Would you like to be an astronaut and travel to space? Give us a thumbs up if you want to visit the stars. Don't forget to subscribe to Kooky Kiddos and hit the bell for more awesome adventures. See you next time, space explorers. Bye-bye.